Dozens of Supreme Court justices and members of the Bar Association gathered in the Supreme Court to reflect on the life and legacy of Chief Justice Stephen Isaacs during a special sitting this morning. President of the Bar Association, Khalil Parker, says the fallen legal scholar has made a great impact on his life and was quite instrumental in his career. He says his passing has left a huge void.
I've known Chief Justice throughout my professional career and beyond, but in terms of his service on the bench, Chief Justice, through his example, has really afforded the Bahamian public an opportunity to consider deep constitutional principles in a more intimate way than they would have before. Through the events surrounding his appointment and confirmation, we got to consider the import of the separation of powers and the role of the judiciary in ensuring the constitutional promise of the rule of law and justice for all. So that is really something that undergirds not only his traditional service in the sense of as a justice of the Supreme Court, as an assistant registrar, and as a member of the bar, but it also gives a richer meaning to the events surrounding his confirmation and his passing.
Parker adds that the recommendations and goals the late Chief Justice was about to embark upon before his passing will be further discussed and later implemented.
Fortunately, in my capacity as president of the bar, I had opportunities to not only discuss the present state of affairs, but what he wanted to see and what he wanted to be a part of promoting in terms of the improvement of access to justice and the administration of justice nationally. One of the things that he was very passionate about is ensuring the substantive independence of the judiciary, both in terms of its means and budgeting, but also in terms of its premises and infrastructure. So it's about being able to ensure that justice is administered and dispensed in a timely manner, and some of the administrative hiccups that the judges and the court staff and the ancillary staff experience really hampers our ability to turn and move the judicial system into the modern age.